Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to recite our very first poem in English 1 for class 3, lesson 2, My Little Ted. This poem is adapted from Ted by Maxine Anna Buck. Let us recite the poem. Here we start. I have a little brindle dog, seal brown from tail to head. His name I guess is Theodore, but I just call him Ted. He's only about 8 months old. I guess he's just a pup. Daddy says he won't be larger when he's all grown up. Poetess says that she is having a little brown colored dog, means dog's fur is in brown color. The color of the dog is brown. The streaks, the lines on his body is of different color. The dog's actual name is Theodore, but the poetess used to call him Ted. The poetess also describes that he is only 8 months old and it is just a small pup. Pup means puppy. Puppies are the babies of dog. Daddy informed that he will not be a larger dog when he will grow up. The size of dog will not be a larger when he will be grown up. He plays around about the house as good as he can be. He doesn't seem like a dog, he's just like a fox to me. When it is my bedtime and Ma makes the bed, I get into my pajamas and wish good night to Ted. My Ted is a playful dog. He never growls or bites, but sometime with his barking he keeps us up all the night. Ted used to play around in each and every corner of the house. He used to play a lot. He can play as much as he can. He seems like a part of a family member, not like a dog. When there is a time of night, means the bedtime, time to sleep, mother used to make the bed for the poetess. Poetess get herself into the comfortable pajama before going to sleep and wish Ted a good night. Ted is a playful dog. He used to play a lot. He never used to bark or bite someone, but sometimes during night he used to bark a lot to make us awake all the night. Usually dogs used to bark at night because they are very faithful towards their master. This way they show their love and affection towards their master. People used to keep dogs at their houses to make them feel protected. And dogs are very loyal and faithful. Whenever a slight noise is also there, they used to bark. They protect their master, they love their master, they show their love and affection to them. People also feel secure with their dog. That's why they used to bark all the night to make their master feel secure and safe. We play fetch in the afternoons when I come home from school. I playfully chase Ted sometimes and he acts like a fool. We love each other dearly, my little Ted and me. We are the very best of friends and always hope to be. Here, we means Ted and the poetess play in the afternoon when the poetess used to come after the school. They play fetch means pick up. That means they used to play with the ball, throwing and picking up the ball. Poetess also says that she used to chase Ted sometime. Chase means to follow. This is also a kind of game that they used to play as someone is running and other is following. She says that sometimes Ted acts like a fool as he don't know what is going on. We both love each other very much. Poetess and Ted, we both are the very best of friends and always hope to be a friend forever. Students, with the help of this poem, we can understand the relationship between dogs and human being. Dogs are important part of someone or family if they are having. They are always faithful and loyal. They see us as a family. They learn things faster. They are always happy. They are always referred to as man's best friend. No bond can compare to that of a person and their dog. They are selfless, extremely loyal and lovable. They are innocent too. One of the best part of owning a dog is that they are always happy to see us. We spend our time with them and which makes us happy. These are one of the God's greatest creation. The support, the kindness, the love they used to give us are unconditionally. I hope you understood this poem. Now it's time to look after the difficult words, word meaning, and one word answer. Here we go. Let's go through the exercises. First, difficult words: brindle, seal, Theodore, guess, folks, pajamas, growls, barking, fetch, chase, dearly, friends, always, adapted, Maxon, Anna, buck, afternoons, good night, bites, playfully, groan. Now, word meaning. First, folks, family. Second, growls, bark. Third, chase, follow. Fourth, fetch, pick up. Fifth, brindle, a brownish color of animal fur with streaks of other color. Answer these questions. What is the full name of Ted? Theodore. What is the body color of Ted? Brown. How old Ted is? 8 months old. What are the rhyming words in the poem? Head, Ted. Up, pup. Bee, me. Bites, night. School, fool. So students, I hope you understood this poem. Yes or no? Now the homework is to learn this poem with spellings. Have a great day. Thank you.